Good morning, children. I hope everyone is good at home. So, children, today we are going to start next chapter of GK. Today we are going to start chapter number 13 and 14. Okay, of your book. So, it is given at page number 18. Children, chapter 13 at page number 18. Bete, in this chapter only reading part is there. These are good habits, good personalities that you all must know. Only getting good grades is not sufficient. Okay? So let me see what is given in your book. See, it is written over here. Only getting good grades is not enough in this world. If you got 100% marks, but you don't have manners, you don't greet others, you don't wish your teachers, you don't wish your guests that come to your house, it means you are not a good person. To be a good person, you must have some basic etiquette, some basic manners. Okay? We need to perform well in every sphere of life. I know my children are the best. है ना? So they will perform the best in their life. We must develop our personality to be successful. And how will you develop your personality? Not only getting full marks, but by helping your parents and teachers that give you the dignity of labor. Okay? That teaches you the dignity of labor. Okay? Okay, children? Then if you join hobby classes, some students join classes for badminton, for swimming, some for music, some for craft, art, and so many classes are there. You know? So whenever you join the classes, like someone is joining dance classes, bhangra classes, you know, they have to recreate and learn new things. Okay? Recreate and learn new things. I hope you all can do. है ना? Even if you participate in extracurricular activities means that are conducted in your school also. Competition, poster making, debate competitions, dance competitions, annual function. These all are extracurricular activities. Including there are competitions in sports also. है ना? So if you participate over there, you can express yourself. You can enjoy it, and playing in groups teaches you sportsmanship. If you play in groups, then it teaches you sportsmanship as well as teamwork. You learn how to work in a team, as a team. Okay? And beyond the textbook, if you read different books, okay, beyond the textbook, you read different books that helps you enriches in your vocabulary. Okay, that helps to enhance your vocabulary and helps in dealing different situations of life. For example, if you have studied some story, then you can apply the result in your life also. Right? That is all about chapter number 13, that is good personality. For developing the good personality, we must have to inculcate few good habits, including with our marks. Good habits like dignity of labor, recreate new and learn new things, then sportsmanship, teamwork, then enhance our vocabulary, apply certain positivity in our life. Okay, so bachche, this chapter is for the reading, for the knowledge, so you must go for this, right? Do not ignore it. These good habits that helps you inculcate good values. Okay, Now moving on to page number 19, chapter number 14, that is special vehicles. Okay, we must go for some special vehicles, including we only know about our cars, bus, train, etc. Now we all know about these vehicles also, but now let us discuss, and you can complete this page also. Okay, what is given here? Some vehicles are specially designed to perform some particular or specific task. Okay, so let us find out which is the first pick. In this first pick, it is given this vehicle is used to carry waste and other garbage. Carry waste and garbage. अब वेस्ट एंड गार्बेज को कैरी करने के लिए जो व्हीकल है, व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट व्हीकल? क्या बोलेंगे उसको? गार्बेज है तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज कॉल्ड एज गार्बेज ट्रक. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज गार्बेज ट्रक. क्लियर? सेकेंड, vehicle used that carries patients. They carries patients and injured people to the hospital. जो patients और injured people को hospital लेके जाती है, what do we call it? Yes, we call it as ambulance. Every one of you know what is the color of the ambulance? Yes, it is of white color with a red plus sign on it. Okay ji? The vehicle used to extinguish fire. Extinguish fire. What do we call this vehicle as? We call it as fire engine. Okay? Fire engine. Okay? I hope it is clear. Next, moving on to the fourth one. The vehicle used to lift and lower heavy materials at construction site. Lift and lower heavy materials. ठीक है, जो बहुत heavy material है उसको उठाना और नीचे लेके आना. Which vehicle does this? Obviously, we all know that it is a crane, है ना? The crane has a big hanger, big hook in its front. Yes. What is the general normal routine color of the crane? Yes, it is basically in yellow color. Next, fifth one, vehicle used to push huge quantity of soil at construction site. ठीक है, huge quantity of soil at construction site, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी soil हो. Push huge quantity of soil at construction sites. कौन सा vehicle है ये जो बहुत जोर से push करता है? That is called as bulldozer. Everyone has heard the name now? Yes, I know everyone has heard the name, but by default you guys might have forgotten. Okay, next, this is most common, the vehicle used by the farmers on fields. Okay, vehicle used by the farmers on the fields. This saves time and increases the yield. Used by farmers. Farmers क्या use करते हैं बेटे? है किसी के माइंड में कुछ? Most common vehicle जो use करते हैं farmers? Yes, it is a tractor. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. So that is all for chapter number 13 and 14. Including this बच्चे, in chapter number 14 we are also having a fact file. In fact file there written ambulance is written on ambulance so that the person driving in front can easily read it. ठीक है, एम्बुलेंस पे एक्चुअली उसकी मिरर इमेज लिखी जाती है. एज इट इज एम्बुलेंस नहीं लिखा जाता, उसकी मिरर इमेज लिखी जाती है ताकि जो बाहर से देख रहा है उसको एम्बुलेंस दिखाई दे. ठीक है, अंदर से मिरर से देखोगे तो उसका मिरर इमेज होती है. ठीक है, एंड इट इज इजीली रेड थ्रू रियर व्यू मिरर. ओके, मिरर से इजीली दिख जाए. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? हाँ जी बेटा बताइए, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सो योर वर्क इज to learn, to revise and to complete this chapter on your book, right? And next week we'll continue in next tutorial.